Through periods of peace and war, the 4th Infantry Diamond Division has answered the nation's call, leaving a legacy defined by duty, sacrifice, and professionalism. Across generations, its soldiers have stood watch over the land and its people, carrying forward a tradition of service rooted in courage, discipline, and unwavering dedication to mission accomplishment. Founded on February 2, 1970, or 56 years ago, right after the deactivation of the 4th Military Area, the 4ID sustains its role as the main defense arm of the people of Northern Mindanao and Caraga Region. Before its birth, it traces its roots in 1936, when the Commonwealth Government of the Republic of the Philippines created the military districts for the purpose of recruitment, training, and mobilization of national manpower and resources. 10 districts were spread across the archipelago for the purpose of defense in the event of threatened aggression or emergency. Each district is a composite unit comprised of members of the Philippine Constabulary and the Philippine Army. The 10th Military District had 14 military companies distributed all over the provinces of the entire Mindanao. Before the World War II broke out, the headquarters camp was renamed as Camp Edilberto T. Evangelista from Camp Bulwa on January 1940, and Major Jose Manuel Montalvan was appointed as the first camp commander and mobilization center officer. On January 1946, while the country was still rising from the ashes of World War II, all military districts were converted into military areas. The 4th Military Area also had a lineage of commanders from Colonel Ciriaco Mortera, who served from May 1948 to June 1950, to Brigadier General Restituto Sarcos, Armed Forces of the Philippines, who served from January to July 1969. On February 1970, the 4th Military Area was deactivated and subsequently reorganized to become the 4th Infantry Division. It was first led by Brigadier General Juan B. Cruz, AFP, who served the division from 1969 to 1972. Over the years, this proud tradition of leadership was carried forward by a succession of dedicated commanders who each played a vital role in shaping the division's operational readiness, institutional strength, and service to the nation. Currently at the helm is Major General Michel B. Anayron Jr., the 54th Commander, who brings decades of experience in strategic operations and leadership to guide the unit in its ongoing missions. As the security landscape evolved, the 4ID transitioned through successive eras, continually refining its structure, operational capabilities, and doctrine to meet emerging challenges. This transition strengthened the division's capacity to conduct effective combat and non-combat operations in support of peace, security, and national development. In 2022, as the division moved forward, its old building, long a silent witness to years of service, sacrifice, and shared hardship, was decommissioned. In its place rose a new structure, symbolizing the division's transition into a new era while preserving the spirit and traditions forged within its walls. From its activation to the present day, the 4ID has served with distinction across changing missions, environments, and conflicts, adapting to meet the demands of each era while remaining anchored to its core values. For 56 years, The 4ID's unwavering dedication to peace, security, and the protection of communities has earned the trust and respect of the people it serves. As it continues to evolve, the division stands ready to face new challenges, carrying forward a legacy of honor, resilience, and service.